you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lotus flower bound, firefly, running low. So take me high. Teach you all the summer love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Care for milk.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing the second part to my room, like redoing my whole room. As you guys can tell, my room is very like loud, like it's very like echoey. That's the word. My room is very echoey, so you could hear my voice very like annoying. But today we are painting my room, so that should be interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it or my stepdad's gonna paint it, because we're like painting it in a way where it's like we're spraying the paint instead of like painting it. But before we get started, I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail today, because I recently, obviously you guys know me, I recently purchased a bunch of things. So I purchased these little cute Polaroids. Look how cute. They're so cute. Obviously, they're so cute. Look how cute. Literally the cutest thing ever. Like, these came in a set. So these 4 came in a set together. And the girl that I bought it from is Nat's Beads Co. And then these 3 came together, and then I got it from this girl from New York. I don't quite remember her name, but I'm gonna try to link down below like their Etsy accounts, so you guys can order some cute little Polaroids if you guys want cute little Polaroids. They're literally like, they do different kinds of like people. Like I was gonna get these ASAP Rocky ones, but I was like, let me get these first, you know, like let me see how cute they are. And okay, I think I'm gonna go back and get some more, because they came out super cute. And before anyone asks, I know, before anyone asks, yes, I'm 18, and yes, I like BTS, okay? So, I don't consider myself a fan, you know? I don't, like I don't consider myself like an army, as like what their fans call themselves. But you know, like they're just like my 7 boyfriends, you know? It's pretty explanatory, you know? Like, they're just my 7 boyfriends, like my 7 freaking beautiful boyfriends, because you cannot front and say they're not freaking cute, because they're all freaking cute. And if you see me in 2 months with my merch, mind your business, okay? Thank you. All right, so let me just show you guys my room and like how it looks right now, because as you guys can tell from the echoing and stuff, like I said before, everything is empty. So let me show you guys my room. So everything is empty. As you guys can tell, my bed is gone. That's why it's so echoey. And pretty much what I'm deciding to do is I decided to change my mind. So the vanity is no longer gonna be in this section of my room. It's going to be in the middle where my bed was, and then my bed is gonna be right here where like my vanity is. So we'll see how that works. And you know how I told you guys that in the wall I was gonna do the photos? Well, I feel as though I'm gonna put this right there, like covering my window. So I feel as though my pictures are gonna be right here in this wall. And still the same process with the photos on top of, like in this wall, like all there, because like I said, my room is gonna be painted white, so I feel like it's gonna look cute. But we'll see how it goes, because at the end of the day, you know, I always have something in mind, and like I see it in person and it doesn't look all right, then I'm gonna quickly change it, you know? So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So probably the next clip is you're gonna see me painting my room. Okay, so this is the end result basically. As you guys can tell, my room is literally all white now. And what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna try to put my vanity over there, and then we're gonna try to bring my bed, because basically what I need to do is I need to bring like all the big items that are in my room, I need to bring them back inside to see how I'm gonna like part my room, to see how I'm gonna like decide to want to put it as, because I still don't know if I want to put my bed right there and then my vanity in the middle and then my mirror probably right there still. So we will see what I decide to end up doing. Alright guys, so it is day 3 of me redoing my room. This is the last day, so I was like, you know what, let me get freaking ready and, you know, look cute, because I be looking ugly nowadays. But as you guys can tell already, my room is already different. You guys are probably like, what the fuck, like she already like did it? No, I haven't yet. So what I just basically put the basics already in my room because I needed to sleep here. So I basically, what I did was I put my curtains up, and then I put my drawer, and then obviously you guys saw that I put my vanity there, and then I put my mirror in the same place. And then my bed, obviously I need to reconstruct my bed because, you know, it's not done. So the last few clips of this video, you guys are basically just gonna see me decorate my room and get everything to where it needs to be.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? Talking about it, tell me, would you care to be my lady?
Flow, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you up inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come to tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can ain't right. Easy baby, my claim type, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but I be damned if I do not wear mine. Or at least try. Can I speak up? Was it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a
fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's
rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly, running low. Take me high, teach you all a song of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down.
So finally we are done, guys. So this is how my room has turned out. I honestly I'm in love with it. My like photos, my bedding, and then where just my drawers are at. You know, I put simple things on top, and then I still put like all the signs that I wanted to put. My vanity is so cute, and then my little moon, and then my mirror, and then I think my favorite part is just this wall overall. Like, wow, talk about freaking beautiful. Like, I love it. Yay! So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you guys have enjoyed me redecorating my room. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below of any more videos you guys want to see on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first.